space weather. How did I get into it? Well, I realized that forecasting Earth weather was a little bit too easy, so I had to expand my horizons. I only like to do the hardest things, folks, like skateboarding and bike racing and stuff like that. So, yeah, here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news, we're going to help you out by doing some meteorology. So here are the jet streams of the Western world. Extreme meridional jet stream flow continues in the Northern Hemisphere. You can see doubled up jet streams going in opposite directions. Southern Hemisphere jet stream a little less coherent. And it's actually tripled up. Massive anticyclone here over the Mediterranean. That's not the Mediterranean, that's Central Europe. Here are the surface winds of that part of the planet. And let's rotate to the east side. Shout out to the east side. Let me rotate that a little. There we go. It'll show Hawaii and New Zealand and Indonesia and Papua New Guinea and the Philippines and Japan and India and so on. Lots of people on this side of the planet. There's the wind profile. We've got some very strong winds up here. Hurricane force winds happening there in the northwestern Pacific. Continuing on, here's your weather.gov map, and you can see some flood warnings and so on. If your county's lit up, just click it, weather.gov. Yowzers, what's going on in Alaska? Some winter storm watches. In America's largest state. USA, the allegedly United States of America. Here is the NASA GOES lightning mapper. Some lightning making its way out of Florida at the moment. Here's a real-time lightning map. No terrestrial lightning in the U.S. at the moment, or is there? Nope. I don't think so. Quite close to the Florida Keys, though. Could be some great light shows if you're especially on a skyscraper or something like that in Florida. Check it out. Errant lightning bolt in the Southern Ocean down here. There's the estimated thunderclap. I'll bet nobody is going to hear that one. That is a pretty unpopulated portion of the planet right there. Not a lot of guys on boats. Next, the pressure cells. And before I continue on, I just want to check the life of the stream here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. Everything looks just fine. So there's pressure cells at the moment. Strong low here at the south of Iceland. We'll advance this via the Euro forecast. There's 12 noon tomorrow as forecasted by the European model. And continuing on, to remind you to follow us on Twitch. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. If you're only viewing on Twitch or BitChute, to make sure you view on YouTube. You're missing like over 90% of our content by not watching on YouTube. Thanks to our Twitch followers. Look for a lot more content coming on Twitch, especially starting November 10th, when I become a, quote, full-time, end quote, nature forecasting type. Anyway, there's the BitChute page. Thanks again, BitChute subscribers. Please press like and subscribe if you're viewing on YouTube. Once again, congratulations on realizing our channel exists. Thanks to the Smash team at smashamash.com/Smash team, who, by the way, received a bunch of email notifications yesterday because, yeah, we send out email notifications to people who sign up for our websites. So smashamash.com/Smash team will give you all kinds of information nobody else gets to see, including updates about Proton events and all kinds of other disaster reports. At smashamash.com and the Smash team, you can find that link to our smAsho merch. There's the smAsho merch page, where I would remind everybody to forgive, remember, and hold accountable. Respect existence or expect resistance. Universum liberate. Oh, look, it's the face of evil, St. Anthony Fauci. Also, please don't pole vault the caldera. And please make Earth not suck again. It's up to you, not giant bureaucracies that can't even get out of their own ways or do their own jobs. Next, the water vapor map over the Pacific Ocean. There's the Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest body of water and largest heat sink. Let's just say it takes a lot of calories to heat up the Pacific Ocean. What say you? Have you ever taken basic physics? Do you know what the word heat latency even means? Or do you listen to what people say about the climate who apparently don't understand physics in any possible measurement? Anyway, that's the water vapor scenario over Earth's largest body of water and heat sink, the Pacific Ocean. Here's a 72-hour precipitation forecast for you. And you'll see this low kind of break up and then sort of reform over New England there at the end of your 72-hour forecast. Some snow forecasted here on this one for places like especially Wyoming, Nebraska, a little bit of South Dakota, and Montana. 72-hour forecast. That's the GFS forecast from Tropical Tidbits. And here's the current scenario. There's what's going on in the country's largest state. What a crazy place. That's on my bucket list, too. I've got a hell of a bucket list. My bucket list includes space. Let us know what's on your bucket list of places to visit in the comments. So there's that powerful low. You can see that rotating. It looks like it's around Nashville at the moment. Here is the cloud layer, the 3.9 nanometer radiation map. And here is the water vapor map. And you can see it's not really fueled up with a whole lot of moisture. But that is certainly a comparatively speaking low pressure. The jet stream's coming way down like this. Maybe we'll show cold temperature anomalies tomorrow. But we'll just do a recap for today. Here is the U.S. Doppler radar map. That's radar.weather.gov, by the way. Make sure you watch our space weather videos if you haven't seen those. There's a geomagnetic storm on the rest. There's a geomagnetic storm on the way. It could shut off your power. Let's hope it doesn't. Here's the rest of your recap. Doppler. Shortwave radiation shows you clouds and fog at nighttime when it's too dark to use the visible satellite. And there is the water vapor map. I hope that helps. And I hope if you're unable to forecast your weather, you're getting better at it as a result of watching our videos. We'll put little tidbits every day into how to do that. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted, naming news.